Okay, welcome. Today I'm just going to be going through a few problems with you. Uh, just kind of things that you might see on tests. Alright, so looking at this problem right here, it says Paul drives from home to his friend's house and then back home. The distance from Paul's home to his friend's house is about 720 kilometers. On average, Paul's car uses 6.8 liters of gas for every 100 kilometers, and then gas costs $96.5 a liter. Okay, and it wants to know how much Paul would have to pay in gas to go to his friend's house and back home. Okay, uh, so there's a whole bunch of information here. Okay, we're just gonna pick it out a piece at a time. So the distance that he has to travel to his friend's house is 720 kilometers. Okay, now I realize that's a really long way away. His friends, he's not going to do that in, just all the time, but okay. So here, the distance that he travels is 720. Now, the question asks, how much does he pay in total for gas to his friend's house and back? Now, the and back here is key. So that means that his total distance that he has to travel is not 720, but 720 times 2. Well, what is that? That's 1,440 kilometers, right? 1,440 kilometers is the total distance he has to travel. Okay, that's the distance that he has to travel. Next, it says, on average, Paul's car uses 6.8 liters for every 100 kilometers. So for every 100 kilometers he travels, he's using 6.8 liters. Okay? 6.8 liters for every 100 kilometers. So if you have to travel 1,440, right? How much would you multiply 100 by to get 1,440? Well, you'd multiply it by 14.4. Okay? Because 100 times what equals 1440? Well, to do that, to find out what this is here, we just divide 100 by that and divide by 100 here. Okay, and we find out what that is. Well, that'll just be 14.4. Okay? So that's how much we have to multiply 6.8 liters by. Okay? So that means that the total number of liters he's going to use, number of liters used, is going to be equal to 14.4 times 6.8. Okay? Well, 14.4 times 6.8, 14.4 times 6.8, 97.92 liters. Okay? That's how many liters it's going to use. Okay? And thirdly, we know the cost of gas is 96.5 cents per liter. Okay? So we want to find out how much it costs in gas to go to his friend's house and back. So we're going to find out how much it is. We're going to take its price per liter and times by the number of liters that he needs. So we know that the price is going to be equal to 96.5, and this is cents per liter, and we're going to multiply by 97.92 liters. And our answer will be 96.5 times 97.92 $9,449.28 cents. Now this is cents. So if we want to convert to dollars, we move the decimal 2 places. So it's 94.49 dollars. Okay, good. All right. We'll practice a couple more examples in the next video for studying for your exam.